Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $15 by the center of 2024 and afterward $20 by the center of 2025. Axie will ascend to $25 inside the time of 2027 and $50 in 2035. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $12.30. So the cost expanded by 17% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $18.11 and the year-to-year change plus 105%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 76%. In 2024, we hope to see $16.38 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.54. In the last part, the cost would add $1.39 and close the year at $24.93, which is plus 142% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $3.1035. Monday, blemish $4.40. Tuesday, blemish $5.45. Wednesday, blemish $6.1050. Thursday, blemish $7.1055. Friday, blemish $8.1060. Saturday, blemish $9.65. Sunday, blemish $10.71. Walk $15.96. April $15.1253. May $15.145. June $15.1562. July $15.1652. August $15.1681. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.93 to $42.10, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.93, then at that point dip to $21.83 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $22.83. That implies plus 122% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $42.10 to $52.89, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $42.10, then, at that point, take off to $44.52 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $44.89. It is about plus 336% from today. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.91. So the cost diminished by 11% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $19.88 and the year-to-year change plus 125%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 151%. In 2024, we hope to see $13.71 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.29. In the last part, the cost would add $0.25 and close the year at $24.54, which is plus 210% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.54 to $41.48, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.54, then take off to $26.05 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.18. That implies plus 244% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $41.48 to $59.30, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $41.48, then, at that point, take off to $43.97 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $46.44. It is about plus 487% from today. It's 2 Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.86, so the cost diminished by 22% from the very start of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15 WOLF and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see Teller 2043 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the final part, the cost would add $95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then at that point take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then at that point take off to $33.44 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 7115 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.93, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see Talaton 44 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.91. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then at that point take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.89 to $33.55, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $28.89, then take off to $29.13 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $30.82. It is about plus 289% from today. 1012 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025.